Now we are getting to the exciting part, where everything comes together. I'm excited to show you the new allocation and roster screens in EasyRoster Cloud, packed with new features designed to simplify and enhance your rostering process. Let's dive in. To access the roster page, click on the Rosters block on the starting page. For this demo, I'll work with the Guardian Watchtower site. Before we look at the details of the allocations, let's open the hamburger menu at the top left. Here, you'll find quick links to the three main grids, namely allocations, rosters, and attendance. There is also a link to Auto Roster. If you are familiar with EasyRoster's business process, you will know the basic steps. First, suitable personnel are recruited and allocated to a site to work according to a specified shift pattern. Here it is important that the correct number of personnel of the correct grade or rank are allocated to the correct shifts. This is according to the contract. Next, the roster is created using Auto Roster. Finally, the actual time spent on shift is captured and the attendance data is used for payroll. You can access all the main screens from this menu. Now let's explore the Personnel Allocations grid. The grid shows personnel assigned to Watchtower on the left and the client's shift requirements at the top. Green blocks mean you're meeting those requirements perfectly with the current allocated personnel, while yellow signifies a shortfall. Red indicates that you have allocated more personnel than required, which is going to be expensive. For example, on Wednesday the 2nd, 3 people are needed for the night shift, but you have 4 allocated. You can try and quickly fix this and adjust the shift patterns, like moving Ronald Kent's pattern back a day to meet the requirements. Notice how the blocks are now all green, which is perfect. The allocation screen is going to have a significant impact on your roster and costs, so you want to get this allocation correct. Notice that you can easily change the shift pattern for any of the personnel as shown here for Ronald. You can see that changing this is really going to have a ripple impact on your overall plan. The new allocations grid is intuitive and negates the need to refer to printed allocation reports. I want to show that you can also view more detailed data by toggling the additional grid options. Simply click the button and all the extra details come into view, providing immediate insights. With the EasyRoster Cloud version, personnel allocations to sites are now easier than ever. You'll rarely need to run supplemental reports, boosting your productivity significantly. Now that you've seen the new grid in action, I bet you're eager to check out the roster screen in EasyRoster Cloud. Let's move on and explore that next.